Incredible, the construction of the reservoir in China caused the world attention. Reason is that the location of the reservoir built too wide of the mark. They built a reservoir in too desert. It is seen by many as impossible task, but the Chinese did just that. The reservoir is Asia's largest desert reservoir, Red Cliff Mountain Reservoirs. Thank you for watching our videos. If you want to know more about what's happening in the world, don't hesitate to click to subscribe to our channel. I believe my videos won't let you down. Red Cliff Mountain Reservoir, it is located in the northeast of the Hushi Corridor, the lower reaches of Shiyang River, about 30 kilometers from the Minqin County, is a medium-sized desert region of hollow water storage project. The project has spent 40 years in China, with 240,000 people took part in the project. Such a huge project, not only in China, even in the whole world, is very rare. Actually, in the early last century, China has decided to dig the water in the desert. The news just after coming, can say this to let the whole world is very shocked to know the conditions in the desert. There is no water, can't plant a plant, no vitality, high temperature construction workers here is a big test. At that time, many Western countries were better developed than China, but they had not succeeded in building reservoirs in the desert, let alone turning the desert into an oasis. At that time, China was an economically backward country with no advanced equipment. To build such a huge project, it required huge manpower and financial resources, which was a huge test for China. But at that time, there were 300,000 Chinese farmers living near the desert, and their living conditions were very difficult, and they were hungry for water, and they were hungry for crops to improve their lives. So if this project could be built, it would be able to feed the 300,000 Chinese farmers living near the desert. After the completion of the reservoir, the young man in his 20s who was involved in the construction of the project has become a retired man in his 50s. They are proud of their efforts and they let people near the desert see the green light. Of course, to pay a huge effort, the return is also rich. The Red Yashan Reservoir built a total of 127 million cubic meters of water, irrigation fields of 900,000 mu, not only to solve the water problem in Minqin County, but also let the surrounding desert back to green, attract birds' habitat. Not only that, Red Yashan Reservoir also breeds a large number of fish and shrimp. This reservoir has brought tremendous changes to the local area. Now Hangyashan Reservoir is a beautiful scenery in the desert, and many Chinese and foreign tourists come to see it. It not only interprets the greatness of China's infrastructure builders, but also interprets China's determination to the outside world. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to click and subscribe to our channel with your lovely finger. Let us know more important things happening in China together. See you in the next issue.